Hello class 2, welcome back to your GK class children. So today we will do quiz number 3, very important from examination point of view. Page number is 72. And I hope that you have already get the syllabus of this subject, that is GK. So you do well in the exam. Let us do uh, page number 72 of this book, that is quiz number 3. Chapter number is 4949. Take a pencil in your hand. We'll do this together, right? So the first one is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answers. How we'll do? Who fell asleep after eating a poisoned apple? Yes, this is a fable. Okay, someone, a character that fell asleep after eating a poisoned apple in the story, in the fable, okay, in the tale. This is Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, or Cinderella. Who is that character? Number A option is Sleeping Beauty, B is Snow White, and C is Cinderella. So the correct answer is number B, Snow White. So you will put a tick in number B. Okay, Snow White. Snow White is the correct answer, option B. Now number 2 is which movie has many spotted dogs? So you like to see many children movie, isn't it? So it is made specially for this, movies are made specially for the children like you. Like Stuart Little, sorry, then 101 Dalmatians, then Happy Feet. So here also it's about, the movie is about a spotted dog, and the correct answer is 101 Dalmatians. So number B option, number B is the correct answer of this question. Now when we move to number 3, Mowgli is looked after by an animal. What is the name of the animal? Wolves, tigers, or dog? What are those animals who used to look after Mowgli? You like that movie very much, isn't it? Mowgli is a very famous character among the children. So Mowgli was looked after by wolves, right? So number A option is correct. Okay, number 3 option A is correct. Then come to number 4. Which book has fables? Which book has fables? Ramayana, Mahabharata, or Panchatantra? Fables means tale. Okay, small tale. So here Ramayana and Mahabharata, these are our epics. Okay, these are long stories. These are epics, and these fables are short stories for children, specially made for children. So here, which book has fables? Panchatantra. Small stories you will get here in Panchatantra. Okay, so here now question number 4. Number C is the correct option. Come to number 5. Which animal brays like horse, donkey, or buffalo? It is donkey. Donkey brays. So B, option B for question number 5. Option B is the correct answer. Then number 6. How many legs does an earthworm have? How many legs does an earthworm have? 10, 6, or none? So it is none. Okay. So 10 and 6, these are wrong answer. Sorry. So how many legs does an earthworm have? They have no legs. So none. Number C is the correct option. Number C for question number 6. Then come to number 7. Which of this doesn't sting? Okay. Now like bees, butterfly, and scorpio. Here bees and butterfly, they sting. Okay. It's very painful if they stings you. Now if the sting is very painful. Now butterfly is the only one. So you will what you'll do, you will put a tick mark in butterfly. Butterfly is the insect that do not sting. Okay. Then come to number 8. To play a santur, we play santur. You have seen the musical instrument called santur. So how it is played? Pluck the string, beat the string, or beat on the box. When someone plays a santur, they beat on the strings. They beat on the strings like this. Okay. Now here, so the correct option is number B. For 8, number B is the correct answer. Okay, very important, read properly all this. Now number 9. What race is this? Here on in the right side of this page, you can see a picture. 2 boys are running. So what race is this? Hurdle race, or they are skipping, or it is hopping? What they are doing? So it is hurdle race, isn't it? So option A is correct. For 9, option A is the correct answer. Okay, then come to page number 73. Page number 73. On the right hand side, you can see a picture of this page 73. See number 10. This sign means, what is the meaning of this sign? Swimming pool, no swimming, or drinking water. So this is the sign for no swimming. You cannot swim there. So this sign is made, okay, in a pool. So here for number 10, B is the correct answer. When we'll move to number 11, which is not in Delhi? India Gate, Qutub Minar, or Gateway of India? So Gateway of India is not located, or it is not situated in Delhi. So you will put a tick mark in number C. Other than this, Gateway, India Gate and Qutub Minar both are in Delhi. Okay. Then which of this, which is not an Indian dress? You'll learn about 3 dresses here, 3 options given. So which is not a dress, which is not an Indian dress, like Kedia, Mekhela, or Bhangra? So Bhangra is not a dress, right? So number C option is the correct answer here. Bhangra is name of a folk dance, right? Now number C, which dance is from South India? Which dance is from South India? Manipuri, Kathak, or Kathakali? So here from South India, Kathakali is the correct answer. Kathakali is a dance from South India. So number C is the correct answer of question number 13. Then number 14, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was India's president, prime minister, or king. Was he a king? No, he was the president of India, isn't it? So number A option is correct. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan means Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was India's president. So number A option is correct. Come to number 15. On which day do we parade? Okay, in which day do we have parade? So we have parades on Independence Day, Republic Day, or both these days. So we have parades on Republic Day. That is on Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. So every year we have parades on this day, Republic Day. Then come to number 16. Which of these materials come from plants? So which of these materials like cotton, wool, and silk? So from plant we get cotton only, wool and silk we get from animals, right? So here for number 16, cotton is the correct answer. Very important this part, quiz part. So write it properly, learn this properly for the exam. So we get cotton from plants. Come to number 17. Which part of computer doesn't share its name with an animal? So computer, they have different parts. They share name with the animals also. Which part? Like which part of the computer doesn't share its name with an animal? Monitor, keyboard, or mouse? It is keyboard. Okay, it is keyboard. Then number 18 is which tool do we use to open a cane? So if you want to open a cane, then which tool do you use? That is L, M, or N. So we will use this one, M, okay, to open. This is a kind of opener. So to open a cane, we use this number M, opener. Okay. So these are, we have completed this page number 72 and 73, quiz number 3, which is very important from examination point of view. So children, learn all the questions properly, and if you want note, you have to send it for correction. Then we'll move to page number 74 also. Let us move to page number 74 and complete this all together. Number 19, this picture is from, this picture, you can see a picture here. See, Sleeping Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, or the King Lion. So this is from Beauty and the Beast. So number B option is correct here for number 19, page number 74. Then number 20, an atlas is a book of maps, poems, or stories. Maps. So option 1. Then come to 21, this train carries animal, sand, or oil. You can see the picture here. You can see the picture of tanks, isn't it? So this train carries what? Oil. O-I-L, oil. That is option number C. So for option number C, 21, question number 21, option C is the correct answer. Then last one here is 22. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who lives there? Who lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan? The Prime Minister of India, the President of India, or the Vice President of India. Rashtrapati means President. So number B option is the correct answer here. For 22, number B is the correct answer. So you put a tick mark in option number B. Done? Now come to true false. We'll do true false given in page number 474. Am I very fast? I'll send it through Telegram. You can write them properly also. Now true false. Number 8. The ugly duckling is the story of a swan. Yes, it is the story of an ugly swan who turned into a beautiful swan, isn't it? Then number B. A dictionary is a book that has the meaning of words. Yes, true. So B is also true. A is also true. B is also true. You write T. Now a tricycle has 4 wheels. I am talking about tricycle. Tri means 3. So a tricycle has 4 wheels. It is wrong. It has 3 wheels. So you write here false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Number C. Now number D. A DVD can be used to store photos. In a DVD we can store photos. Yes, correct. You will write true. T. T-R-U-E. True. Then come to number E. Navratri and Durga Puja are celebrated at the same time. Yes, Durga Puja and Navratri both are celebrated at the same time. Here in West Bengal, we celebrate Durga Puja. People in Gujarat, Maharashtra, they celebrate Navratri. Right. So, Navratri and Durga Puja are celebrated at the same time. Correct. True. Then number F. We use sticks while dancing the dandiya. The name is dandiya dance. So, we use stick. Very true. Danda is stick. So, dandiya. Now number G. Ravindra Setu is often called Howrah Bridge. Yes, Ravindra Setu is also known as Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge, another name of Howrah Bridge is Ravindra Setu. Correct? It is true. Then 8. In a football match, 11 players play in a team. Yes, correct. True. In a football team, we have 11 players. The football team is consist of 11 players. Right. So, you do this well. Learn this. Most of the thing you know also, like football team has 11 player. Then another name of Howrah is Ravindra Setu. Dandiya is in Dandiya dance we use stick. Navratri and Durga Puja are celebrated in the same time. So many question and answer. This is general knowledge. So you know all this. So children, I hope you have understood what we have done today, and write them well and get prepared for the final exam. Thank you.